said you had a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? If I swore you were an angel, would you treat me like a devil tonight? If I was dying at first, would your flowing love come quench me? How do you do the line dances though? Come on! If I said you had a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? Hey. Now we can talk all night about the weather, tell you about my friends out on the go. I could ask a lot of crazy questions. You look at them at the back, you know you see my notes, girl. Or ask you what I really wanna know. Come on, everybody, say. So if I said you had a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? If I swore you were an angel, would you treat me like a devil tonight? If I was dying of thirst, would your flowing love come quench me? If I said you had a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? Now rain can fall so soft against the window, the sun can shine so brightly in the sky. But Daddy always told me, don't make small talk. Come on out and say what's on your mind. Come on, speak it up, people. So if I said you had a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? If I swore you were an angel, would you treat me like a devil tonight? If I was dying of thirst, would your flowing love come quench me? If I said you had a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? Hey. So if I said you had a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? If I swore you were an angel, would you treat me like the devil tonight? If I was dying of thirst, would your flowing love come quench me? If I said you had a beautiful body, would you hold it against me?